Namaste friends. Bridge course, standard 10th, subject English, day 17 July 2021. Competency statement number 9. Learn new words, expressions and enrich vocabulary through reading. So today our focus is on various expressions. Activity number 2. The objective of this activity is to enable the students to learn new expressions and use them in proper situations. Friends, for communicating effectively and comprehensively, we need to use appropriate expressions in different situations. So let us see the definition. What is the definition of expression? So, definition of expression, or what is an expression? An expression is the act of making thoughts, feelings or emotions known by speech, writing or some other method with the help of meaningful group of words in proper context. So, in this definition, we can understand an expression is a meaningful group of words used in speech, used in writing, used in some other methods. Now, what are the some other methods? Maybe storytelling, narration, performing some skit through dialogues, or through singing. We can express our thoughts, feelings or emotions in different ways. But for expressing our thoughts, feelings or emotions, we need certain appropriate words in that particular situation. So we need to know those expressions and their appropriate situations. So context is most important. So let us learn. Let us learn some expressions and the appropriate situations and the examples. So read these expressions carefully. First listen to me and then you have to read after completing your listening activity first. So listen to it. Number 1, situation expressing pleasure or joy, and the expression is that's great, fantastic, amazing, wonderful. So these are 4 different expressions for expressing your pleasure or happiness or joy. One example, you have scored 95 marks. That's fantastic. Number 2, the expression is things are bad or things are not for me, expressing sadness. Example, the short-listed names have been displayed on the notice board. Things are not good for me. I have not been shortlisted. Now third one, expression I am scared. Another one, I am worried about. The situation expressing concern or anxiety. And this example, he is worried about the loss in his business. Next one, expression what a pity. Situation expressing disappointment or regret. What a pity that he can't attend this function. Number 5. Perfect. Great. Situation expressing satisfaction. Your design is the perfect one. Great. The next one. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye. Situation leave taking. Example. See you tomorrow. Another one. See you on Monday. Then next one. Expression. Welcome. Another one. It's good to see you. And the third one. Good morning. The situation. Greeting someone. Example. Number 1. You are welcome. And another one. An MC welcomes you in the city of pilgrimage. Next expression. Excuse me. Hello, sir. Situation. Drawing someone's attention. Example. Excuse me. Write down this activity for homework. Next expression. This shall too pass. Another one. Everything will be alright. So this shall too pass for consoling. Everything will be alright for comforting. Example. You don't worry. This shall too pass. We are with you. Next one. Yes, of course. Situation. Expressing certainty. May I get my mark sheet, sir? The student requested. Yes, of course, replied the teacher. Next expression. Offer a helping hand. Situation. Help or offering help. Example. May I offer you my helping hand to do this project? And the last one. Expression. Mind this. One more. You must not. Situation. Prohibiting. Example. Mind this. You must not play with those rowdy children. Read the table of expressions along with the situations and examples. Learning activity. Use the proper expression from the table and complete the following sentences. Number 1. This model is dash. Number 2. Mr. Patil visited his village. The villagers were depressed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. He said to the villagers, don't worry, follow the rules. Dash, dash, dash. Number 3. It's dialogue. A says, would you like to come with us for a trek? B says, yes. Dash, I love trekking very much. Number 4. Rakesh met his younger brother and said, dash, dash, after the last 4 years. And number 5. 9 schools in the state could not break the egg in the SSC board exam. And the rest of the part you have to complete by filling an expression. Now friends, I give you the clues and you have to find the proper expression and fill these 5 sentences, complete them and make them meaningful. First, for the first sentence, when you are satisfied to see something suitable. So, situation is satisfaction. Seeing something, you become satisfied. So, satisfaction is the situation. or satisfying. So find the expression and fill in the first statement or sentence and make it meaningful. Be careful regarding punctuation mark also. Number 2, the situation is given in detail. There are 3-4 lines. Mr. Patil visited his village. The villagers were depressed due to COVID-19 pandemic. So the situation is very much clear, depression. And he said to the villagers, don't worry. So he is consoling. So you find the expression, you will get it easily and fill it and make the second one meaningful. Number 3rd one, it's dialogue given here. Would you like to come with us for a trek? So when you have the situation of certainty, खात्रीशीरपणे निश्चितपणे तुम्हाला एखादी गोष्ट करायला आवडते and very spontaneously you express in certain words, so that is your feeling expressed through the words. So fill here accordingly. Then number 4, Rakesh met his younger brother and said. So here again you see they are greeting after a long time, 4 years, it's a very long period, and they are greeting after a long gap. So greeting is the situation. So find appropriate expression and fill it, make it more meaningful. Then last one, 9 schools in the state could not break the egg in the SSC board exam. Here already one expression has been used by me. Break the egg in negative way. No, could not break the egg. आता ऑमलेट करताना आपण अंड फोडतो, तो अर्थ वेगळा आहे. परीक्षेत अंड फुटलं नाही याचा अर्थ काय? It's a little bit tough to understand for you, but you can click the situation and then you have to feel it. When you are disappointed, when you feel regret, you are not happy with some event or some happening, you use that expression here. You have to use it and make it meaningful. Be careful. At the end you have to use appropriate punctuation mark, and in this way we can practice. These are very few examples of expressions. We need to practice more and more through our reading and enrich our vocabulary along with new words as well as expressions. So this is practice activity. It is not difficult at all and you have to complete it in your notebook. Match the pairs of expressions in column A with the situations which they are used in column B. So column A expressions and column B situations. Expression number 1, that's great. Expression number 2, goodbye, see you on the next Republic Day. Expression number 3, excuse me. And expression number 4, be positive, everything will be alright. And the situations, drawing attention, दुसऱ्याचं लक्ष वेधून घेणे. तेव्हा आपण कोणती एक्सप्रेशन वापरतो याच्यापैकी फाइंड आउट. कम्फर्टिंग म्हणजे दुसऱ्याला आपण रिलॅक्स्ड करतो, त्याची चिंता कमी करण्याचं काम करतो, त्याची चिंता मिटविण्याचं, दूर करण्याचं काम करतो. विच एक्सप्रेशन डू वी यूज फ्रॉम दीज वन? देन लीव टेकिंग, आपण एखाद्याचा निरोप घेतो. निरोप घेतो म्हणजे आपण तो प्रसंग, तो कार्यक्रम, ती घटना पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणावरून आपण दूर जातो या अर्थाने, आणि मग तेव्हा आपण निरोपाचे शब्द बोलतो. अँड लास्ट वन, एक्सप्रेसिंग प्लेजर, आपण आनंद व्यक्त करतो तेव्हा आपण एक्सप्रेशन वापरतो. सो आय एम शुअर you will easily match these pairs and this will be definitely useful to use these expressions in appropriate situation in writing skill. Connect this activity with your writing skill in SSC board exam. In B part of the same practice activity that match the pairs, just you have seen use those 4 expressions in your own examples in your notebook. So this will be the B part of the same practice activity. Now friends, before starting the extension activity, I must make it very much clear, because there must not be any confusion in your mind. There must not be any doubt in your mind, because you have a CERT PDF in your mobile and you are referring it time to time. Many times when you are confused, some of you are sending me the screenshots, and you are not wrong. I am not blaming you, but there must not be any confusion in the process of learning, and that's why I am making it clear that in today's activity on page number 56 and 57 in your PDF of English Standard 10 Bridge course, I myself was very much confused when I started to make the lesson plan before shooting the lesson. This activity, in my opinion, is not meaningful at all, and there are many more mistakes. There is no logical flow, there are grammar mistakes, and that's why I have completely edited it, and my level best I tried to make it simpler, easier to make you understand. And in the table on page number 56, the table of expressions, I personally do not agree that how can conjunctions we call expressions? How can the discourse markers be called expressions? So that's a question in my mind. I tried to talk to many people. Some did not respond me. Some responded very well. And then I came to the conclusion that there is no option besides editing the activity and making it simpler considering your age group. And that's why I have completely edited the activity and tried to make it simpler. So this clarification was needful, otherwise you would send me the screenshots again and again, and that would be not good for you and me, and that's why I have made it clear. So let us start extension activity. Now extension activity, read the following phrases or group of words and linkers which are called discourse markers, and use them properly to make the following extract comprehensive. Write in your notebook. ही सूचना आहे. This is an instruction. याच्यामध्ये फक्त हे क्लियर करतोय. Linkers, they are called discourse markers. Now what is this linker or discourse marker? When we make a natural flow of events in sequence, paragraph number 1, sequence incident number 1, second step of the same incident or second incident, it's a chain. अशी एक घटनांची शृंखला तयार होते, आणि मग आपण पहिली घटना, त्यानंतर दुसरी, त्याच्यानंतर तिसरी, पुढची चौथी, शेवटी पाचवी, अशा रीतीने आपण, मी काय म्हटलं होता, पहिली, त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी, त्यानंतर तिसरी, पुढे चौथी, शेवटी पाचवी किंवा शेवटची. हे जे शब्द वापरले हे काय करतात, आधीच्या परिच्छेदाला कनेक्ट करतात. सो दॅट बिकम्स अ नॅचरल फ्लो टू अंडरस्टँड at logical level and to comprehend it very easily, to grasp the central idea of the text very easily. And so discourse markers, such words are used. For example, first, then, next, finally. पहिल्या परिच्छेदाला first I went to the central mall, city central mall. I purchased few things. Then I came out and saw my friend. We discussed for few minutes. Then I got my bus and I left for my home. So there are 4 steps. Every step, in the beginning of every step I have used certain words. So they are the discourse markers. Thus, there are many more word phrases which work the same. For example, as well as a result, or consequently, therefore, so, henceforth. So there are many more words. Some of them can be conjunctions. So discourse markers, and use them properly to make the following extract or the text comprehensive to understand easily. Write in your notebook. So these are the group words or phrases. Can't help, number 1. Right now, number 2. As a result, number 3. Just now, number 4. As well as number 5. As far as number 6. Can't wait, number 7. So there are 7. They are not in the same sequence which are to be used in the extract. They are in jumbled order. You have to find the proper place. It's an infogap activity. So let us start to write. Once upon a time, there were 2 friends working in a reputed factory. They both were workers union leaders. One day, their manager called them to discuss on a topic. The peon of the office went to them and gave the message. But one of them was not present there. The other said to the peon, I cannot come with you because my friend went to another section to bring needful material and I know he will come after an hour. The peon said to him, I for a long time. He returned to the office and told the manager what had happened. The manager was irritated and said, I for them now. Closing, He dismissed both the friends from the factory. So this is infogap activity. The group words or phrases, conjunctions or discourse markers which are given in the box, you have to choose them considering the situation and context in every sentence in infogap and make the extract comprehensive with logical flow, easy to understand and meaningful. So I hope no one will face any difficulty. I have made it easier, my level best. So I appeal you to do it sincerely in your notebook. Friends, at the end of this activity, you have to write what you learned. Do not copy this. This is just as a demonstration. What I am showing here, you have to write what you really feel, what you learned today. I have written here, today I learned new expressions, group words and how to use them in proper situation. So this is my opinion. What you learned, you have to write very honestly.